Lifting palms. Lifting palms is as simple as it sounds. With your palms facing the front, you just lift them up, bending at the elbow, and drop them back down. The body is relaxed. So as you lift your palms, you may float a little bit with the head, lean forward a little bit, shift your weight a little bit towards the front, and as you drop the palms, you relax the body and sink, and perhaps your weight flows back a little bit more to the heels. We breathe in, lifting the palms up. We breathe out with the palms back down. We can do a balanced breathing to balance the nervous system, like inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or better yet, close your eyes if you feel safe, and just inhale and enjoy a nice, clean inhale, and exhale softly, slowly, with a gentle ha sound. That's 1. 2. 30 at this pace makes 5 minutes. We're always breathing in through our nose if we can. And breathing in through the nose, in the pause at the top, the natural pause builds nitric oxide. The sigh of relief releases stress. The pace is the heart coherent pace. And the heart coherent pace matches the breathing to the heart rate. Because normally when we breathe in, our heart beats faster. When we breathe out, our heart beats slower. With this long, slow, deep breath, heart rate becomes coherent or matches the breath. Right about 6 breaths a minute. And the 30 cycles, or 5 minutes, is a good amount. And it's the average of what most people can do before their mind drifts off and takes some of the effects away. And you can extend that time, and it's best to extend it with visualizations and positive emotional content, such as smiling from the heart, thinking of something that brings you joy, nurturing, cultivating that positive emotion, gratitude, joy. wishing ourselves and others well. Imagining that we're in a sanctuary, whether that's inner or outer, in a place that we enjoy. Tranquil brings us peace. When you're done, allow everything to settle. And that is lifting palms.